How Unix4 Foundation hack all station terminals and what they do. To access the station terminals, you have to dock in the station. Then go in the elevator and interact with the panel. Here you need engineer and security office to access terminals that you can hack. In both you can find 4 different terminals. Every single one has its own use case. To be used, every terminal needs a hacking tool. All of them except for one use a security decryption system. If you want to know where to find it or its crafting components, check top right corner suggested video. So let's start from the engineer office. The first on the left is called Storage System Control Panel. To be hacked, it will use a security decryption system. In order to do so, interact with it and confirm the hack. As consequence, the station will release partial part of their stored cargo. To be precise, usually it drops 20% of stored items. To understand where they are, you can zoom in the map to check where container was dropped. Now, if you go to check the loot around the station, you will find a lot of them in few different places. Obvious, you can pick them up if you have enough cargo place in your ship. But once you pick up the first, the station will become hostile. Means the station defensive drone will start to attack you. But the bigger problem in this case are the turrets, not the drones. This is because the turrets usually are really powerful and some of them have missile launcher, meaning that you have to go away after collecting the drop before you've been destroyed. Don't worry about the reputation, you will lose it temporarily. Now you can sell everything and wait until they forgot your crime. It will take few hours for they to do, but using SETA you have to wait 10 or 20 minutes. If you want to know more about SETA, how to craft it and how to use it, check top right corner suggested video. But be careful, don't leave any ship near the station. This is because the station drones will attack any of your ship in this sector. And in case your ship will defend themselves by destroying this drone, you will lose reputation. Once they forgot your crime, the station will turn back to a lie. But the drones will continue to attack your ships. And if they destroy any drone, the station will come back to be an enemy. To avoid this problem, just move all your ship in another sector. As consequence, the drone will dock back in the station and become again a lie. Next terminal is Construction Line Control Panel. This one controls the building process of shipyards, wharves and equipment docks. But be careful, don't use this terminal in any other type of station because you just will waste your hacking item. So once hacked, what will be happen? The construction and upgrading for the ship in the station will be stopped for 5 in-game hours. The same way works the next terminal called Production Terminal. This one controls the production only in factories. How for the previous, if you use this in any other type of station, you just lose the hacking item. Once hacked this terminal, it makes your station think that it don't have any resources. No resources, no production. How for the previous, this effect will rest for 5 in-game hours. In case of the last engineer room terminal, it controls the trading operations. Once hacked, you just receive some discounts. But you can achieve the same advantages hacking the data leaks around the station modules. In fact, instead of wasting these items that cost 150,000 credits, I highly recommend to obtain them for free using the top right corner suggested video tutorial. Time for Security Office Terminals. The first don't display anything on the monitor and seems doing nothing if used. This means it's probably not yet implemented. Once the development of this feature will be done, I will share it in the top right corner suggested video. Next in this room is Turret Control Panel that in this case require a security slicer. Check top right corner suggested video to learn how to craft, buy or find this item. Anyway, this terminal just disable all turret target system. This means they don't attack you and your ship if you become an enemy. Really useful to use in combination with storage system terminal if you want to use multiple ships to collect loot. This way you really can make a lot of millions with two devices worth 150,000 each. Next in the list is the shield control. In case hacked, every shield upon the station will be disabled. This will make the destruction of the station really fast. The last one is called Repair Control Panel. In case hacked, every repairing drone will be disabled. Usually the drones repair really fast, so it's enough good solution to destroy a station with low amount of ships. Also, I have a tip for you that probably no one knows. If you docked any ship in the station before it become enemy, you can use it to teleport inside and hack the station. So if you want to destroy a faction, it better buy some minimalistic ship in order to use them as teleport. As consequence, you can hack turrets and shields in order to easily destroy the station. And steal a lot of cargo before destroying the stations that otherwise will be destroyed with it. In conclusion, you can hack the station in order to make money or destroy it easier.